Speaking Task 1, Listen and Repeat. You will hear a sentence. After you hear it, you will have a short time to repeat it. Try to repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it, with correct pronunciation and intonation. You will hear 7 sentences in total. You are talking to a librarian about borrowing books. I need to borrow a book. My library card is not working. I tried to check out the book, but the system showed an error. The librarian told me that my account needed to be updated. Many students experience similar issues at the beginning of the semester. Although I followed all the instructions carefully, I still couldn't complete the checkout process. The university plans to improve the library system to make borrowing materials more efficient for students.